Did you know that some of your favorite apps are powered by Flutter? Let's take a quick look at 5 amazing apps built with this revolutionary framework. Google Ads. Managing your campaigns on the go has never been easier. Thanks to Flutter for seamless performance. Next, we have ClusterMe, a unique content sharing platform that connects creators and audience in a visual stunning way. Third on the list is Launching. The app has bring people together over food, simplifying meal planning and social dining. Fourth, Xianju by Alibaba, a massive second-hand marketplace app with millions of users, all powered by Flutter's smooth experience. And finally, we have Reflectly, the world's first AI-driven journal that helps you to reflect on your day. These apps are proof that Flutter is transforming the mobile app world. Want to see more? Hit the like button and subscribe to